Beiben. Profile of Baotou Beiben Heavy Duty Truck Company Limited. By the Yellow River, flowing on and beneath the continuous and rolling Mount Yinshan, is Baotou, the largest industrial city in Inner Mongolian Autonomous Region. Legend has it that long ago, the city was known as Town of Deer due to its abundance in water and grass for a feast of the deer around. Thanks to its recent rapid development, Baotou City has grown into one of China's key basic industrial bases. At sunrise, Inner Mongolia First Machinery Group Corporation, an extraordinary scale enterprise, China North Industrial Corporation Group, as well as the autonomous region's major equipment manufacturers, stands out majestically and vigorously beneath Mount Yinshan. As the morning glow brings hope to the world, Beiben heavy-duty trucks are also delivered to across the country in an endless stream, together with the wisdom and sweat of its 3,000 staffs and workers, a grand scene than ever. Diffused with technologically top-notch crystallization, Mercedes-Benz, Beiben's strength in knowledge of industries and manufacturing capacity has been expanding here, thanks to rich resources fully demonstrated and widely applied. Today, Baotou Beiben Heavy Duty Truck Company Limited has developed into a trans-regional, trans-ownership, jointly operated modern large-scale business purpose vehicle manufacturing group, integrating research, development, production, sales, and services engaged in such products as heavy-duty truck, bus chassis, wheel axle, and gearbox, etc. 7 partners, including China North Industries Group Corporation, Inner Mongolia First Machinery Group Company Limited, China Huarong Assets Management Company, Penglai Gold Company, Chongqing Tiama Industries Corporation, China North Industries Corporation, Baotou State-Owned Industrial Assets Limited Company, contributed a total investment of 3.543 billion RMB for establishment of Beiben Heavy Duty Truck Company, headquartered at Baotou, covering an area of 1.9 million square meters. The number of the staffs at Beiben totals over 3,000, of which 1,718 hold college or higher educational qualifications, and 99 have senior professional titles. It boasts nearly 2,000 sets of a variety of equipment, 180 of which are those imported with internationally advanced technology. Over the past 20 years of growth through wind and rain, Beiben people have been striving to be among the best. Confronted with any difficulty, they would never give up, but rather join their hands in composing a melody to sing of the past 2 decades. The rapid development of the past 20 years can be a joy or a glory, as well as a passion or a responsibility. People would keep in mind all the efforts ever made in the long march to answer Beiben's eager appeal. This is the stream flowing on. Recently, Beiben heavy-duty trucks, through a series of name brand building, capital operation, and assets reorganization, have incorporated all the resources of Chongqing Tiama heavy-duty trucks and transmission under China Industries Group Corporation, inviting Penglai municipal government to invest in construction of the production base in Penglai City and set up Beijing office building for R&D and international business. With industrial locations in Baotou, Chongqing, Penglai, and Beijing, Beiben has achieved an increase of 2 times in its output and sales volume for a successive 3 years, starting from 2002. In 2008, while 15,000 sets of trucks were produced and sold out, which, fulfilling the goal of large-scale business operation, the company reached the annual capacity of 30,000 heavy-duty trucks, 10,000 sets of gearbox, and 3,000 sets of bus chassis. Nowadays, Beiben is following the principle of advanced starting point, strict standard and high performance, independence on the Benz technology imported from Germany, as well as China Industries Group's strength in scientific research and development capacity and resources. Through digestion, absorption, innovation of the technologies for over 10 years, Beiben has formed 2 major internationally renowned heavy-duty truck brands, Beiben and Tiama, and could produce 1,000-odd models in 4 major series of trucks, dumper, lorry, tractor, and special chassis, with load capacity from 8 to 25 tons and tractions from 30 to 60 tons. The products cover all the scope of heavy-duty trucks and meeting all the varied needs of the heavy-duty truck customers. Beiben is full of vitality and vigor, where solid work, brave advancement, pioneering spirit, and technical innovation become common practices. While the German Benz technology has been turned into a powerful weapon to open up the market, Beiben keeps increasing its marketing capacity with a strategy of initiative marketing in an updated mode following the communicative, normative, interactive, and win-win principle. It has also established a collaborative relationship with distributors on sincere and firm basis with rapid developing of marketing networks. Beiben also promotes actively creative marketing and operational modes to integrate marketing, service after sales, and spare parts resources of Beiben and TMA name brands of heavy-duty trucks. Now, Beiben has established 23 sales subsidiaries, over 150 distributors, and more than 350 franchise maintenance stations and spare parts networks for farm marketing and after-sales service networks across the country. Meanwhile, it boasts 15 forest shops for Beiben heavy-duty trucks in Shanxi, Henan, Hebei, Inner Mongolia, and other provinces and autonomous regions. On the technologically advanced, long-accomplished foundation of German Benz, Beiben, with the global designing resources, socialized incentive mechanism, scientific project management and control, excellent hardware and facilities for research and development, and advanced 3D software for designing and analysis. Beiben has built up its complete, reasonably arranged systems to develop digital products, realizing the product functions of digital design, simulation, digital-based management. For commercial vehicles, it has made great achievements in design of the hull and cabin of the vehicles, as well as the design of power assembly for Europe 3 engines with an improved new R&D technology. In order to convert the technological strength of Beiben heavy-duty truck into products, Beiben has constructed an internationally advanced large-scale whole vehicle general assembly and major parts production line in Baotou, Penglai, and Chongqing for coverage of the country. The Baotou Beiben General Assembly Line coins the original design and process flow of the Benz in Germany. And Penglai is adopting domestically latest process, technology, and equipment. In Chongqing is applying the best design. Each general assembly comprises driver's cab block welding, interior decoration, and chassis streamline, with an annual capacity of 50,000 sets of Beiben and TMA. Like a sacred horse with a pair of wings, Beiben is galloping and flying across the vast land at a speed of wind toward its future destination, the summit of the world in the sector, based on its spring flowers and autumn fruits, all previous achievements. While running ahead, Beiben heavy-duty truck introduces advanced technology at home and from abroad and upgrades its equipments in a fast-paced manner. It boasts internationally advanced production lines for axle and transfer case and transmission processing, large-scale cabin covering parts, and chassis stamping, molding, etc., which are properly arranged in different plants. All the Beiben products have been R&D based on Benz in Germany. Moreover, the large-scale precision digital controlled equipments, such as 2x2, 500-ton numerical control hydraulic press, numerical control machine, and processing center, ensures Beiben heavy-duty truck is leading role in China with the top quality. Stepping into Beiben Truck Axle Processing Company, you will witness the international level heavy-duty truck manufacturing capacity, domestically advanced truck axle R&D development, and sustainable possibility for upgrading later on. At the Beiben Hydraulic Press Company, the first-class axle large-scale precision hydraulic press for the cabin covering parts one-time molding experiences, technical innovation here. At the Beiben Transmission Production Line Company, the domestically advanced gearbox processing and testing capacity are also clearly to be renting here. Currently, Beiben Heavy Duty Truck Company owns most domestically advanced testing and monitoring systems for the equipment, as well as internationally advanced large-scale accurate metering, testing and whole vehicle ex-factory inspection, in addition to procession of the whole truck and major parts production line. Beiben have been authorized by ISO 9001-2000, GJB 9001, A2001 Standard Quality System Certification and Conformity Certificate for GBP 19022-2003 Improved Metering and Testing Systems, the State Motor Vehicle Products CCC Certification, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management Standard. The enterprise culture also forms part of Beiben's soul and potential productivity, unremitting impetus for its existence and growth, and the headwaters for the enterprise to take a foothold in the market. Beiben Heavy Duty Truck Company has so far established an enterprise cultural system of its own characteristics, carrying forth vigorously its values of being dedicated to create name brands of heavy-duty trucks. Through cultivation of the enterprise's style of diligence, self-discipline, collaboration and striving, and nurturing a spirit of to contribute to the society while developing myself, Beiben is empowered with powerful mental motivation and guarantee for its sound, stable, and fast development. On May 12, 2008, when an 8.0 Richter scale earthquake took place in Wenchuan County of Sichuan Province, Beiben also took actions and organized a heavy-duty truck support team with a truck's worth of 1.2 million RMB for any emergency. At the same time, it also donated to the quake region a sum of 1,500,000 RMB after the Spring Festival of 2008, when South China suffered from heavy snowfall. Beiben became a backbone force for transportation of coal production areas. Together with the fragrance of rice is the bumper harvest of Beiben over the past years. Thanks to its efforts and innovation, it continues to link up the preceding and the following achievements. In a context full of opportunities, hopes, as well as challenges, Beiben people have undergone struggle, growth, and development with success and happiness. Since its establishment, the party and state leaders have ever inspected the company, including President Hu Jintao and Premier Wen Jiabao, who expressed their kind concern and strong support for sustainable development of the heavy-duty truck company. Running in the direction of eastward wind, the long expedition goes far on the trucks. Down the road lead the truck traces from where glory of future extends. While recalling the past wind and rain, Beiben is composing a wonderful melody for its growth. It also looks far beyond into a bright future through in-depth study and practice of the scientific outlooks of development, continued implementation of China Industries Group Corporation's three-phase strategy to increase its competitiveness in the international market. Beiben has also set a goal for 2010, sales of 50,000 sets of heavy-duty trucks with sales revenue of 12 billion RMB, striving to be among the top 5 of its respective sector during the strategic 11th 5 years plan period. With the name brand North China Heavy Duty Truck, Beiben is going to brave the wind and the waves and go on taking the lead, serving the country's national defense construction and making greater contributions to China's revitalization of its economy.